Hello guys, welcome back to my page. Today I will be showing you how to check if someone is spying your calls or someone is listening to your calls. In my last video, I've shown you how to check if someone is tracking you and how to disconnect. Now in this video, I will be educating you on how to check if someone is spying your calls or someone is listening to your calls. Remember, this video is strictly for educational purpose, guys. Remember, this video is to re-educate us on how to check if someone is spying your calls or someone is listening to your calls. Stay tuned, guys. If you've not subscribed to this page, subscribe to this page, smash the like button, press your comment in the comment section below, share this video with others so that they would get to hear these educative tips and they will re-educate themselves in this aspect. Stay tuned, guys. Let's go to my screen and I will show you how to do this.
Okay guys, let me start by showing you on how to spy a particular number. You dial *21* that particular number you want to spy, then you dial #. Now, what this menu means is showing you call forwarding unconditionally registered was successful. What this means is at any point in time when this particular number is switched off, you have forwarded all calls to this line to a particular number which you have registered on the call forwarding. What this means is at any point in time when there is no network on this SIM and when the person is in a place where there is no network or the line is switched off, the calls will be forwarded to that particular number which you have registered. Now, if you want to cancel this, you still come back to your dialer and dial #21#. Now it's showing you call forwarding unconditionally service has been disabled. What this means is it has disabled all call forwarding to that particular number which you have registered. Now you need to check in your phone. Whenever you notice that you are no longer receiving calls, you need to dial this code to disable all call forwarding on your line. Okay guys, the second one is for you to dial *61, then that particular number again and #. Now what this means is it's showing you call forwarding when no reply registered was successful. What this means is it's showing you that whenever a number is calling that particular line and when the person is not responding to calls, you would receive the call on the alternative number which you have used in registering the call forwarding. Now what this means is at any point in time when you are busy trying someone's phone number and is not picking calls, now when you register this, it will forward the call to a particular number. It may be his guardian, it may be anyone close to him that may pick the call and hear from you or whatever that is going on. Now if you want to cancel this, you still come back to your dialer and dial #61. Now it's showing you call forwarding when no reply service has been disabled. It means that all call forwarding when no reply has been disabled on this line. Now you need to check in your own calls. Maybe whenever someone call you and you didn't pick, the call will be forwarded to a particular number. It may be your spouse, it may be your guardian. Now you need to check this and disable it. Okay guys, the third one is you come to your dialer and dial *62* that particular number you're trying to spy, then you dial #. Now this menu displays, it says call forwarding when not reachable, registration was successful. Now what this means is whenever a caller is calling that particular number you're spying and the number is not reachable, the call will be forwarded to an alternative number which you've registered, which you've provided during this registration. Now when you want to cancel this, you still come back to your dialer and dial #62# and send. Now what this means, call forwarding when not reachable service has been disabled. It means now call forwarding when not reachable has been disabled. Okay guys, now the final one is you come to your dialer and dial *67* that particular number you're trying to spy, guys, then #. Now it says call forwarding when busy, registration was successful. Now what this means is that particular number you're spying, whenever a caller called that number and the person press user busy or reject the call, it will definitely forward that call to that alternative number which you have provided. Now you would receive the call whenever that number you're spying rejects a particular call. You would be the one that will receive a call. Now, when you want to cancel this step, you still come back to your dialer and dial #67#. Now it says call forwarding when busy, service has been disabled. Guys, this is the final stage of this. Now you need to check in your calls, check in your phone, make sure you disable all spies on your call, all spies on your calls. Make sure you check so that you can be able to disable all to avoid someone listening to your calls or someone receiving your calls. Okay guys, now with these tips I've given out, it may not be really someone is tracking your call. It may not be you really want to track someone's call. But these tips can help you whenever your phone gets lost and a situation where your phone is off. All your calls will be forwarded to that alternative number which you've provided, and you will get to receive your calls, and your callers might not be misled by whoever took your phone, and you would be able to recover back your numbers because all your calls will be forwarded to this particular alternative number which you've given out. And guys, this will really help you if you are trying to make an investigation on someone. You can really spy his phone with this method. Remember, this video is for educational purpose, and this will help you to go in a long way in your investigation.
Welcome back, guys. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Share this video, like this video, place your comment in the comment section below and I will get to answer them. Guys, this video is for educational purpose, guys, and we need to share this video to safeguard yourself and to help others in safeguarding themselves, so as to avoid someone to be listening to your calls or spying your calls. Guys, stay tuned, subscribe to this page, follow this page for more updates, follow this page for more tips. I will be updating you guys on security tips. Thank you, guys.